Okay, you can talk.
Well, we're getting close to Clifford Hanley's house here now. Driving back from the tee. We're taking a little video here just to let him know how much he's being missed, you know, shoveling snow.
Gotta stop the car.
He loves to, I know he loves snow and he loves shoveling it. I don't know where the driveway is. I have no idea. I don't know how you get up to his house. I think it's right along here somewhere. I'm not really quite sure. It's just, yeah, it's a nice summer home. I know that. You know, I mean, you know, he's down there in Florida right now. Him and Ella Mae just. Yeah. Soaking their feet in that white sand. We're over here soaking our feet in that white snow. Yeah. That looked good on them though. Yesterday there they had to keep the water running because it's cold down there too. So,
oh, I thought they were too old.
Yeah, too old. Too old to keep the water running. Yeah, but oh well, that's only for a day or two. They won't be long. They'll be soaking in the heat again. We're looking for another big storm again tomorrow. Just looking forward to it there. Big storm advisory. So, anywhere from, I just looked at it on the computer there, anywhere from 40 to 45 centimeters. So, that'll keep us busy. Gloria and I were home there, shoveling the lane out there, trying to make it a little bit wider. Getting narrow now. We had to use the shovels and start shoveling it wider because there's been nowhere to push it with the four-wheeler. We thought we left lots of room when we first started this winter, but...
Those are frost heaves, by the way.
Huh?
We just hitting frost heaves.
Frost heaves, yeah. This is where Clifford graduated. At the Back Bay Funny High School. Right there, that's where Clifford graduated. He's the only one in the family. He tells me very steady, and I'm the one that's supposed to be the smart one.
Educated.
He's all educated. Yeah. He says, I'm the smart one, how come you know that? Yeah. Well, I had Roy's out with Tim Hortons again yesterday, and he enjoyed that. I was down visiting them all evening with Gloria, and then I went to a bridal shower there for a French girl there anyway.
Erica.
So I down spent the evening with Roy, so he appreciated that. Here's the snowbank around the church. Yeah, post office.
That's where Ella Mae used to work. You know, she's retired now.
They had the big payloader here, so they lowered the banks down from what they used to be. But still, they're quite high. Look at this one right here, where Arthur Leslie's. One I was telling you, the snow is right up to, right to the peak of the garage. Look at that snow bank here. Ain't that something now? Huh? That's just like when we were just kids. Yeah, quite a winter. You're certainly missing it, Clifford. Ella Mae, you fellas are certainly missing shoveling, boys.
Oh, I know it.
A great exercise. Yeah. There's the old homestead right there. Yeah. She's got it fixed up pretty nice. Larry Lovett there. Snow.
That's the frost heaves again.
Yeah. There's you ought to keep the thing still, but
There's Royce Clark's.
Family Clark. Going up in the lane. I plowed this lady here out yesterday a little wee bit, just enough so she can get in the house. Of course, I do Helen's quite often for her.
Say hi, Helen. See, you guys could be living there in the snow.
Yeah.
There's our shovels.
Here. This is what we're doing. Widening it out some.
And you have arrived at 15 Carmen's Lane.
I'm gonna let you right here.
And I'm getting out.
So I can
Bye.
get closer to the snow.